Alright, so I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery for a Ford C-Max. If you've got this key, not the smart key, but if your key looks like this, the key to changing this battery is in this corner right here. There's a little bit of a notch. I don't know if you can see that here. Let me adjust this a little bit. You can see this notch right here. And what you need to do is get some leverage into that so you can twist it. So I think actually one thing that actually just works really well is taking like another key and in that notch, get it in there and then just twist. And this will pop these two sides apart and you'll be able to get access into the battery. Okay, so once you've got that popped out, there's a little backing here that covers the battery part. Go ahead and set that aside for now. And then you can see access into the CR2032 battery that you'll need. And that just falls right out once you have this backing off. So grab a new one. Just make sure the positive side is facing towards you. The positive side has the lettering. Place that down. And then go ahead and put this little backing for the, you can see there's kind of a round spot. Go ahead and put that over where the battery is and kind of try to line that up as best you can, because then you'll pop this backing right back on and to press that back together. So again, the key to this is finding that notch in the right corner here and then getting some leverage, like I said, with another key works well. You can also get some leverage into the little hole where you put a key ring too. Once you get that's a good spot to kind of pry in there to separate these two pieces. This can be a little tricky, especially the first time. So that's how you change the battery on the Ford C-Max. This was used from 2013 to present. And again, that battery is the CR2032 coin battery.